Dude. Are you still like group of people, man? It's like they separated. One went that way and the other went that way. I don't know where the other one went, but they started running up the hill.
They gotta get away from the trees and the plants.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
I think the plants are talking to each other.
No.
I think if you stay in a group of more than 5, that's when it spreads.
Maybe a group of less.
I don't know.
Shit.
Oh shit.
Oh my God.
We gotta get in. We gotta get in.
Go back.
We gotta get in.
Yeah, we do. Get
The wind is picking up.
Oh shit.
Plants must be talking to each other.
Is this really happening?
God, I hope not.
After everything was going on in the news, there's no more planes in the sky.
Oh my God, the group of people over there.
Oh my God. Oh shit, that guy just killed himself. What the hell's that lady doing?
Oh my God.
Oh shit.
What's going on?
Oh my God, is this really happening?
We gotta get out of here. The winds are picking up.
That car's going faster than usual. Oh my God, it's gonna hit that tree. Sora, look out!
Oh my God. Oh my God. We gotta get out of here.
We gotta get out of here.
We gotta get out of here.
Do you hear that?
Or what? I don't hear anything.
I think we should get inside. Inside's a lot safer.
That's what I said.
Yeah, it's a lot safer. It's a lot safer. It's a lot safer. It's a lot safer.
What the hell?
It's a lot safer.
Hey man, what are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh my God. Oh my God. Go